It's about 6:30 a.m. We're in Glendale, Arizona, and we're going to go for a ride. Come on. The first stop will be to fuel up, getting some coffee at McDonald's. Okay, here we go. You have your helmet on, strapped in nice and tight. Get ready for takeoff. It looks like we had a little rain last night, but it's clear now. Winds are calm. Here we go. Thank you for flying along with me today. I know it was a little bumpy, and we'll be landing soon.